YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for y'all, man. And in today's video, I am super excited about what is in this box right here. If you guys have been around the channel, you already know that, man. But if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, if you want to support, all that I ask is that you take the 2 seconds to go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel, all of that stuff. And then last but not least, go ahead, follow the Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. Get a lot of information up there first, poll stories, questions, kicks of the day, and you would have seen these up there already. I'm actually filming this video the day before you were seeing it, so I am filming this video on Thursday. I'm gonna edit it tonight and everything, and release it on Friday. All of my packages get delivered late, so I gotta make my videos late at night, and then I'll edit them and I'll get it done by tomorrow. But anyways, without further ado, man, let's get into it right here. Y'all see the box, you know what it is right here, the Air Jordan 4 box, the white Air Jordan 4 box, I should say, with, obviously it's not leather. I'm gonna call it patent plastic or patent paper. It's not patent leather, but it has that shiny, glossy feel to it, so I'm gonna call it patent paper. White top with the blue Jumpman on it, black flight, and then just like any other Jordan 4 box, you got the cement pattern all the way around. And we have an Air Jordan 4 Retro, and the colorway is University Blue and Black, and these retail for $200. Now, just so we know, just some more detail, and I already have the shoes here out of the box, but just for a little detailing, man, we do get the UNC University Blue on the inside of the box there, our regular Jordan 4 paper, and UNC Blue all the way throughout the box. Now, this is a GoDaddy pickup, but you guys don't care about that right now. I'll get into that a little bit later, man. So let's just look at the shoe real quick, and here they are, the Air Jordan 4 UNC. All right, YouTube, man, you guys can see them right here, the Air Jordan 4 UNC, and I am so happy to have them in hand. But before I get anywhere further in this video, I do have to fix one thing about this shoe. Here we go, man. That is a lot better, yo. I have had this, I've been thinking about this for a while, man. Ever since they announced this shoe back at the end of 2020, man, I was like, yo, these are going to be fire, because they're basically nothing but the white cement 4, which to me is the best OG 4. They're basically nothing but the white cement 4 with just the University Blue upper, and I've seen people do these laces on the white cement 4 before, and I was like, yo, these are going to be fire if I could find these cement laces to throw on there. And yo, I found them. I had these sitting and waiting, you know what I'm saying, in the room for about maybe 2 weeks now, just waiting for me to get these shoes in hand, man. Yo, how did I get these? I told you guys, I'm 100% honest all the time. Way back when I got the UNC, or sorry, I was about to say UNC 4s are right here. Way back when I got the UNC ones, I told y'all, I don't care about the UNC ones. I had them for retail, got them on sneakers, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all off rip, I'm not going to wear them unless I can get these for retail now. And I am 100% willing to sell these if I do not get the UNC 4s for retail and then put that money towards the UNC 4s. 100% willing to sell these.
100% willing to sell these.
Now, everything came around. Finish Line didn't come through. The Flex app didn't come through. Hibbit, Shoe Palace, SNS, none of them came through for these. So when it was time, it was time. So I did exactly what I told you guys that I was going to do. I went ahead, sold my UNC ones, got good money for the UNC ones, and put it right towards these right here. So basically got these for retail, even less than retail, really, if you think about it, because the UNC ones were only $170 and these were $200. So, dog, absolutely love these, man. To me, this is the Jordan of the year. Not gonna say it's the sneaker of the year. I still think that the two best sneakers, in my opinion, to come out so far this year is the Air Max 90 Bacon and the Air Griffey Max. Even though those shoes have already came out before and they're retro, this is definitely the best, in my opinion, the best original sneaker to come out this year, colorway wise. Obviously the Jordan 4 is an old sneaker, man, but yo, I absolutely love these, man. You guys can see, you know what I'm saying, how I did the lace swap. been waiting for this lace swap for a while, man. Everybody in my inner circle has probably heard me talk about this, the people that really know me. But I was like, yo, I have a lot of plans for these shoes. I already know what I'm gonna do with the laces. I am most likely going to cut off this tag right here. I just don't have the X-Acto knife with me right now. I do have my X-Acto knife, but I need a new blade for it. I don't want it to be jagged, so I need to go get a new blade for my X-Acto knife so I could cut these off. But you'll probably see that on my Instagram when I do go ahead and cut it off. But that being said, you know what I'm saying, it is really interesting that we do get the jersey tag on here. Once again, this is another one in the long line of, I guess I would call it like college PEGRs, if that makes sense. A player exclusive general release. So like, just here's the Oregon example with the Oregon 5s we got that same tag on the heel back there. I got my Michigan 5s back there before, and then I had the UNC 3s when they came out last year, and they had those on the insole. Now what was interesting is, and I guess it's because it's a completely different ball game, but I'm surprised that the UNC one that came out recently didn't have this tag anywhere. I actually think it would have been really dope if they took this tag and put it right up here on the UNC one. I think it would have been dope if they did that here, if they like put the tag like right flush over the top of the Jumpman tag or over the bottom. I just don't like how it hangs on the side, and I'm probably gonna cut it off, man. Like I said, I really plan on wearing these shoes, man. Super excited to have them in hand. To me, like I said, the best Jordan to release so far this year, and I think it's going to be really hard to pass these, man. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you like the lace swap? I personally don't care if you like the lace swap or not, because I love it and I'm rocking with these. You know what I'm saying? Real quick though, before I do end this video off, I want to throw it on footage, y'all, real quick. Now that y'all got to see the on foot, man, now it's official. You know what I'm saying? These are undies. They are ready to go. It's official tishel right now that these are, to me, the best Jordan to release this year. Absolutely love them. Love everything about this sneaker. Cannot wait to wear them out to functions, man. Absolutely love these, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I'm going to stop drooling over these in front of y'all so that way I can have my alone time with them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm gonna put those down right there and finish off the video, man. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the channel. We are right around the corner from 1,500 subscribers, man. So let's go ahead and do that. Also, take the 2 seconds to support by just smashing that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. That is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.